Today, 6th June 2016. First, we will analyze Nifty weekly chart and then we will proceed with the daily and intraday. Uh, Last week bar, if you see that size of the bar is very small and it is actually showing us a confusion between bulls and bears, low volatility, very small trading range, and almost rare opportunity for trading was given by Nifty in last week. This accumulation of Nifty, which was showing in the previous week, that time actually we thought that market should give a very good uptrend, but only thing is actually worried is the setup of moving averages. 20 EMA, which is below 50 EMA, which shows that short-term trend is not yet formed and given a breakout. So short-term trend has to be actually in the above mid-term and long-term. So 150 and 20 is trapped in between 150. So this 20 EMA, which actually represents short-term average, should cross 50 EMA. And after that, we may see a very good rally. 8,332, which is a previous or past resistance, which will act as a resistance in future. That's what we were expecting last week. So that will continue because we have not yet achieved that. So in current week, 8,333 can act as a resistance. But whether price will move up to that level or it will take us south and will take a support at 7,972. Actually, RSI, if you see, RSI is above 50 and trending north, and it is placed at around 61 level. So this is a classic bullish pattern. So RSI is favoring bull. Now I'll just quickly analyze ADX, average directional momentum index. If you see this DI plus and DI minus, this DI plus which is shown in a green line and DI minus which is showing in a red line, and ADX line which is shown by blue, this ADX is placed in between DI plus and DI minus. This is actually a classic pattern formation for bull, and only thing is that now this ADX line, which is a blue line, has to face north. If this happens, then we will see a new trend arising. It is above 20, so this is bullish. Only thing is that at this moment, ADX is actually facing south. It has to face north. The moment this happens, we will see new uptrend begin. So for uptrend, almost setup is done. DI plus DI minus is ready. It is actually showing you a proper bracket, but only thing is that the short-term trend is missing, as we have seen in a 20 EMA, and yes, that is what actually even ADX is supporting. So this ADX line has to face north, and the moment it happens, we will see a proper bullish trend, and that can happen only and only if Nifty crosses 8,300 level. So 8,333 to be precise has to cross, and unless Nifty crosses that, we will not go long or we will not go bullish as far as weekly chart is concerned. Now to justify that, I'll just quickly take you through the daily chart. In daily chart, RSI is above 70. So RSI in daily chart is suggesting a correction. Since RSI has touched 70 level, we have actually seen a consolidation phase, and this will last until Nifty takes a correction. So correction is overdue probably if it is pulled till 8,333, then this week can actually even waste days, 3-4 days. It may drag intentionally to 8,333, and there it will see a resistance and then get a correction, or it may start a correction here itself. Only thing is that as per daily chart, correction is overdue and it is very, very necessary. Hourly chart, we have been actually saying that 20 EMA is giving a support. Unless Nifty reaches 20 EMA and close below 20 EMA, we will not see a correction, or the correction will not start. So this still remain intact. 8,003 and this at present is 20 EMA is placed around currently in hourly chart is at 8,203. So unless Nifty crosses 8,200 and close below that, we will not see a proper correction. Now if this happens, then we will see a support at 8,132, and below that actually 8,096. So I will wait for early chart to break 20 EMA and then take up opportunity. This is a very compulsive trader only should trade this opportunity. Last three time 20 EMA showed excellent support, but now this is a high time that the support will breach and should breach. So probably this is supporting by RSI because RSI is showing diversion. Now see the classic case of diversion. Price is creating higher highs, and RSI, if you see closely, RSI is creating lower highs. So this is a case of diversion, and diversion is started how, so price has to follow the diversion, and if this happens, then 20 EMA once breach, that will start. So once the 20 EMA breach, then what we should do is take a short position once 20 EMA breach and close below that in hourly chart, and keep your stop loss above this level, that is 8,270. And first target is at 50 EMA and second target will be 8096 or 8100. This is a high risk strategy because we are trading against a trend, but we can take this position only for intraday with high risk appetite. So thank you very much and happy trading.